Fellow Democrats, ladies and gentlemen, today the media has been awash with news of a cooperation agreement signed between the party president, Norbert Mao, his Secretary General, and President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. I have had a telephone conversation with President Norbert Mao, and he has confirmed that indeed he has signed what he calls a cooperation agreement between the Democratic Party and President Yoweri Museveni, and that he has accepted to serve as a minister in the NRM government, together with one other from the Democratic Party. Mr. Mao believes that he's also going to continue to serve as the party president as he serves as a minister in a government that he has been opposing. Something that is unacceptable and something which I disagree with in no uncertain terms. Mr. Mao believes that he's going to use the party structures, notably the National Executive Committee and the National Council, in order to ratify a cooperation agreement that they have never been consulted about. Fellow Democrats, this situation has been unprecedented in the history of the Democratic Party. Fellow Democrats, this situation is unprecedented in the history of the Democratic Party, and we deserve to be calm, at the same time to be vigilant, in order to save the party from the death orchestrated by the president of the party and his National Executive Committee. I personally take exception of the process and outcome of the agreement between the party president and President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. This is unacceptable, and we urge our membership to reject it with the contempt it deserves. We urge all our organs to reject it because it has not been done in their consultation. We are going to hold a meeting as parliamentary caucus in consultation with the DP elders and other party structures, and come out with a way forward on the leadership that you can trust. And we shall describe the processes that we shall undertake to make the Democratic Party great again, as we call on the resignation and peaceful handover of the reins of the authority of leadership